I got my goyard bag. I'm so happy. Chilling with my Starbucks. Not so cute. So cute. Okay. Apparently there's this string that I can keep. Here's my feet. Ta-da! Oh my god, my beautiful bag. Yay! The zip looks like this. This is how it looks like. Yay! You can put a lot of things. So happy with my bag. Yeah, it's very casual. It's more casual than like the black color one. But I like it. I also really like the white color one. But yeah. I'm in London now. Let me vlog this very tiny hotel. So like if I want to eat later, I have to like sit here and eat here. And then my makeup and stuff is usually in the toilet, but there's no space. See, like it's very hard to walk there, so I don't walk there. There's no place to put anything here. Do my makeup outside, which I don't like because I usually do in the toilet. And I'm going out here. Honestly, going out in London is kind of rare for me. Going to drink coffee here. The coffee place is closed, so I'm somewhere else to drink coffee now. I got like 1 hour until the show. Yeah, finally in a cafe. Thank you. I got a breakfast wrap. wanted to go, but it's like raining, I really can't. Wow, these are cute meals. I just wanted to vlog me in the hotel room in London. I've been having a lot of trouble sleeping. So the first night I ate like sleeping medicine and I slept for like 8 hours, 9 hours. But that was good enough for me. And then yesterday night I slept at 12 midnight, 12 plus by myself, which is an achievement. And I woke up at like 7, 8 AM and I felt okay. Like last time I thought that 7-8 hours was not enough for me. Like I used to need like 10-12 hours of sleep, but because prior to this I've been sleeping so badly, like I can like don't sleep the whole night, like not be able to sleep the whole night. So now 7-8 hours feels damn good to me already. I'm like actually just lying in bed and editing my vlog now. Can you see? Yeah, I got my milk. Can you see?
我也做了。
是的，是的。Oh my god, mine looks good though. 你可以 try。因为我的看起来很好吃诶，你的看起来 normal。Oh yeah, someone told me, I was like, huh?
这种方面是。
Yeah, after that maybe we can go eat supper after the wedding dinner also. Oh, people buy on the spot, interesting. Splash already. Oh my god, got light band some more. So nice. I'm just like sitting on the couch and reading my Kindle. And then I saw this view and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so blessed to be living in this house. And I'm drinking my matcha. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? Matcha. This is why I love China flights. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna mix and pour this. My 蟹黄面 is not cheap, it's like 20 sing. And then I bought 小羊生煎. Inside is the prawns. And I bought 2 bubble tea. Actually, this is my favorite, 一点点 is milk tea. But I just wanted to try this chocolate thing and expected it's super nice. Let's do it. Oh my god. Heading out now. My favorite coffee. Probably something I should not be doing, eating and walking.
Lounge pass ng mga sadza.
And you know the priority pass. But that one year one time.
Yeah, 1 year 1 or 1 year 2 time. So